Ho, ho, ho! Merry 19th of December. Today, you're going to get your hands on a prompt that makes any type of copy that you already have way better. That is the gift that is under the tree or in your calendar for the 19th of December. This is a pretty short one, so I want you to stick around throughout it because it is super fast to implement this. So let's get into it. So the prompt that we're using here is built up by a longer knowledge base of how to write very persuasive copy. So there are three ways that you can use this. It is, first of all, with just drafts that you make by hand. If you manually sit and write some type of copy, you can go back and do legacy fixes. So you can look at the copy that you've already done in the past that isn't necessarily the best in your opinion, and you can run that through the prompt. Or you can go to where you actually see that you have bad numbers and you just rerun this prompt so that you update the copy and can see the numbers differ. So in terms of how to actually run this, this is one of the only things inside of this Christmas calendar that I recommend you to run in Claude uniquely. The types of outputs that you get in ChatGPT and in Gemini for this type of copy is not as good as with Claude. So this is how we use it. You first go ahead and you click copy here. And then when you insert this, you just need to update this part here only, your copy, your user draft. So you go to Claude and do that. Here you can see an example that I have done. We can go in and see the email that I have made by hand here. So you can pause the video if you want to actually read the whole email. But I've sent this together with a prompt, and then Claude has come back with a rewritten version of it. And then the most important thing here for you, so that you actually understand the changes and so that you can actually go through and validate that you agree with the improvements, is the strategic breakdown. In every single output that you do, there will be a longer strategic breakdown that breaks down exactly what it has changed and why, so that you can learn the difference and so that you can spot it if you think it makes sense or if you think it doesn't. So you run this. If you don't like the new version here, what I recommend you to do is just to click this retry button. Just click that over and over and get new versions and see if the reasoning now makes sense. If you do that several times, you will have incredible copy anywhere in your funnel. So that was it for today. Take the prompt, it's on the page that you have access to here. If you're watching on YouTube, then there should be a link to it in the description. And if you want help with implementing all of this that we've gone through in the Christmas calendar, I recommend you to book a call with me, which is also linked down below, where I will show you how we can install this and the rest of the AI marketing growth infrastructure that we've been installing throughout this Christmas calendar, completely done for you. If that is something you want to do instead of going through and DIYing all of these things, then book a call with me below and I'm happy to help you. Bye bye.